What's up, everybody? Chef Roundeye here on the Griddle Food Network, where we take backyard barbecuing to the next level. If this is your first time here, thanks for checking out the channel. Consider hitting that subscribe button so you get all the notifications of all the great cooks we do on the network. Now, today we're using the Easy Kabob, making meat sticks to go twisted corn dogs, doing hamburger corn dogs. We're going to do pork corn dogs and chicken corn dogs on the Griddle Food Network. Griddle up. Easy Kabob meat sticks using what it's called, the Easy Kabob. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the box. Pretty simple assembly. So this is where you place your meat. Tube in here, lock it in. You pack your meat in here and then you push it, you come down and the meat pushes right out. I'll put my skewer right through this small hole right here, and then as it pushes down, the force in the meat will grab onto that stick and just start to push out, and then I'll break it off at the length I want. We're using 3 different types of meat today to make corn dogs, but not your regular hot dog. We've got ground beef, we've got ground pork, and we've got ground chicken. The only thing that's been added to the meats is a little bit of salt and pepper. 8-inch wooden skewers, and then the batter. Well, let's just go ahead and I'll run you through how to make this batter. It's pretty simple. All right, so you got how to make the batter. The full ingredients and how to make this is in the description below, so you can check that out. In the description below, I also got the link to Amazon. This product, I think right now is running, it was $27.99, at 28 bucks. So you can get this on Amazon pretty quick and a lot of fun. This is gonna be great for football Sundays, and kids would definitely love this because who doesn't love corn dogs? And now you don't only can do hot dogs, you can do different types of meat, and you can even set it up where you don't even do corn dogs. You can just make it to where it's like a hamburger hot dog. But we're doing corn dogs today. So let's go ahead, do a demonstration on how the Easy Kabob works. All right, we're gonna start off with our hamburger meat. We've got our Easy Kabob. We're gonna go ahead and pack it in here. All right, let's see here. All right, let's see. So we've got it, so it's right about here. And I'm gonna push till I can see it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Just when you start to see it, it come right through. You just about see the tip of that. And now I'm gonna go ahead, and you see this here? It's gonna grab it. There we go. We got the meats. Oh, yeah. All right. And now I'm going to pinch it right here. I was a little conservative on that. I still had plenty more to go. But, so... again, I was too conservative. Do another one here. This one looks much better. So, meat on a stick. And again, we're going to cook these first on the griddle. Pat them down, then we'll dip them in our batter, then we'll throw them in grease and finish them off and have a corn dog. So here we go. Now obviously much better looking than this guy. So that's our hamburger. Let me see how much I have here for one more. There we go. Meat stick. All right, so these are our hamburgers. I'm going to go ahead and do our pork and then do our chicken, and then we'll get them on the griddle. All right, meat sticks on the griddle top, and then we'll turn them into corn dogs. All right, hamburger. Pork. Chicken. Okay. And yes, I will clean my tongs after touching the chicken. Over here, we're going to fill this up with peanut oil. And we're going to want to get this to about 350 degrees. All right, so my burners, high, high, high. This one is off. When these are done, I'll throw them up here to keep them warm. We'll pat them down. We'll put them in batter. Then we'll move them over here when we hit our temperature of 350 degrees. Let's check on our pork chops over here. Pork chops are cooking nicely, and that ground chicken is very loose, but it's cooking. Clean those. All right, so we're going to go ahead and let these cook all the way through. Make sure our chicken is done, and pork, burger kebabs are almost done. And again, we're going to turn these into corn dogs. Okay, our pork sticks are done. Our chicken, I've checked temperature, 165. We're good, and we'll let them residual cook up here. We're going to let them start to cool down a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and get a light scrape on the griddle. Let's check our temperature here and our oil. See where we're at. All right. All right, so we've still got another 150 degrees to go, but that'll go very quickly. So take a quick break, get this scraped off. We'll come right back. Be ready to dip these in our batter and make them corn dogs.
Hey, I'm Ricky Bobby. Christmas is right around the corner. And what better gift to give a loved one than the Jackhawk 9000? Available at Walmart.
All right, we're back. Let's check on our oil. Let's check our temperature here. All right, so we're 360 degrees, and we'll double check with an actual touch, little thermometer here. Let's get in there and climbing. Oh yeah, we're getting there. 350 degrees. Perfect. Excellent. All right, so I've poured all the batter into a tall cup. You want a tall cup so you can go all the way down in and then come back out, and then I'll gently go ahead and put it into the grease. Now, on the directions, it calls when you're making the batter, as you saw earlier. I used buttermilk. You can do milk or buttermilk. For the thickness, I chose to do buttermilk, so it definitely thickened it up. So we'll go ahead and start. With hamburger. So here's one. So we're going to come in all the way in. Pull it out nice and slow. And let's see if this works. So there's one. Let's do a pork chop. Now I've seen some of these people have done with cornstarch first and then the batter, and others don't. They just do the batter and throw it right in there. Obviously there's no cornstarch, so we'll see how this works. All right, pork chop and chicken. Whoa. Okay. And now we'll just turn them. Oh, you see that one's getting nice golden brown? Come on, turn. There you go. Ah. There we go. We got a corn dog. All right, so I'm just going to set this guy down right here. Got another corn dog. Excellent. These are looking fantastic. That was hot. And when very hot grease and you lift up and it runs down your tongs and it hits you on the hands, it burns. It doesn't feel good. Let's get this hand cleaned up here. Okay. So let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and dip these last three, get them in there, and then we'll let these cool off and we'll try them and see how we did. Smash that like button if you like what you see. We've got twisted corn dogs here. I call them twisted corn dogs because you don't know which one you're going to get, pork, hamburger, or chicken. Again, I'm going to let these cool down, and we'll move them over to the table here, to the bar, and give them a try, see how they are. Griddle up. The twisted corn dogs are done. Now I don't know which one's hamburger, which one's pork, and which one's chicken. But I'm okay with that. Got a little ketchup, a little bit of mustard here. Let's see, we're just going to pick one here. I have no idea. I'm going to go with this one. Twisted corn dog action. Let's see what we get. A little ketchup. That's hamburger. We got hamburger. It's tasty. I mean, just like a regular corn dog with the batter on the outside. Tastes absolutely delicious. And it's different. It's not just a regular hot dog. Let's see what this big one is here. You know, at the Griddle Food Network, we have the meats. That's right. We have the meats. A little mustard. Chicken. Tastes like chicken. Smash that like button if you like what you see. Leave your comments below. Always love to see what you guys are saying. So we got the Easy Kabob, meat sticks. We've got twisted corn dogs, pork corn dogs, chicken corn dogs, and beef corn dogs on the Griddle Food Network. Round eye out. Griddle up.